after a SpaceX launch from the Kennedy Space Center in Florida on an early evening. The first all-European commercial crew is en route to the International Space Station, ISS. In a departure from traditional NASA missions, this venture is financially backed by Axiom Space, a Houston-based company embarking on its third mission, with paying passengers to the ISS. Axiom collaborates with SpaceX for transportation to and from the orbital laboratory, utilizing these missions to inform its plans for constructing its own space station in orbit. Originally scheduled for launch on Wednesday, the mission was postponed hours before takeoff. SpaceX and Axiom cited the need for additional time to complete pre-launch checkouts and data analysis, particularly concerning the parachute system energy modulator. The following day, SpaceX confirmed that all systems were ready for the launch without providing further details. The Crew Dragon spacecraft, named Freedom, flying as part of the Ax-3 mission, is set to reach the ISS after a 36-hour journey. Following docking, the crew, led by Axiom's chief astronaut Michael López-Alegría, a former NASA astronaut and ISS commander, will spend 2 weeks on the orbital laboratory conducting around 30 experiments, including microgravity research, technology demonstrations, and outreach engagements. The Ax-3 crew comprises pilot Walter Villadei of the Italian Air Force and mission specialists Alper Gezeravci of Turkey and Marcus Want of Sweden and the European Space Agency. Gezeravci, the first Turkish astronaut in space, views the mission as the beginning of a long and impactful space journey. Axiom's Ax-3 crew will join the 7 other individuals currently aboard the ISS as the first all-European commercial astronaut mission to the International Space Station. Axiom Mission 3, Ax-3, redefines the pathway to low Earth orbit for nations around the globe. This mission marks a new era of opportunity for countries to join the international space community and access low Earth orbit to advance exploration and research in microgravity. During the Ax-3 mission, the crew members will represent their nations in low Earth orbit, LEO, and perform scientific experiments and demonstrations that are of high national importance. Axiom Space's crew of 4 astronauts will conduct more than 30 different experiments while aboard the space station. Data collected on ground before and after the mission, as well as in flight, will impact understanding of human physiology on Earth and on orbit, as well as advance scientific understanding, harness opportunities for industrial advancements, and develop technologies for humanity's progress. Commercial and academic partnership activities also remain a strong focus for this Axiom Space mission, as the company leads in building a global research community and robust and sustainable economic ecosystem in LEO. On Thursday, January 18th at 4:49 p.m. ET, Falcon 9 launched Axiom Space's Axiom Mission 3, Ax-3, to the International Space Station from Launch Complex 39A, LC-39A, at NASA's Kennedy Space Center in Florida. Following stage separation, Falcon 9's first stage landed on Landing Zone 1, LZ-1, at Cape Canaveral Space Force Station. Dragon will autonomously dock with the space station on Saturday, January 20th at approximately 4:19 a.m.